I'm sure a lot of you have seen that paddle that gets used on kayaks a lot, that little shorty paddle. Well, this is my version of it. It's actually a cutting board. One corner is here and then the other corner is up there. And you'll see my screws are staggered. It's just a piece of PVC. I slit down the middle, heated it up, flattened out the tip of it, put a handle on it, and it seems to work. I don't know, they call it a backwoods or backwater or whatever paddle, I don't know. I had already made this, and then I saw that and I thought, hey, that's a good idea. Put a little hook in one side of it so you can like reach over and hook stuff or whack stuff, or just, I use this all the time when I'm sitting still and I want to move the kayak just a little bit, and it goes right on the side of my crate. I think it's probably, I don't even know, I haven't measured it, but it's just a small cutting board. I use my French curves to draw the designs and then cut it out.